This is the Snow Lip Exfoliator with lush lavender and mint and really hydrates and repairs the dry, cracked lips. It includes a unique applicator that glides across your lips and exfoliates really gently. And that applicator can also be used with as a under eye tool to put on moisturizers and so forth. It's nice and cool and just glides on so easy. The exfoliator contains jojoba oil and leaves a really nice sheen on your lips without feeling oily. And it's easy to apply. You just massage it in a circular motion with that applicator. Let it sit 1 to 2 minutes and remove with a warm washcloth. And it is paraben free. There's no sulfates, gluten, or any harsh chemicals. And I just love these snow products. They are just they're premium products, but you don't have the premium price. They're just really excellent products. And gosh, the containers are just so pretty in them too. They also have a line of oral care products. So when you go online and check this out, be sure you click on their store link and go see what else they have too, because they really have some very nice things, and it's just a really great company. So go ahead, pick this up, give it a try, and let me know what you think.